everyone, welcome to Whispering Bliss, and my intention for this video is to spread love and light to you all always. Wow, as soon as I shuffled the cards, Seven of Swords came right out, okay? It came right out, and it actually landed here by this card. Return back to sender. Until you do right by me, everything you think about is going to crumble. Mistreating others curses oneself. Heal through kindness and respect. Why is this here? Seven of Swords. However, it is centered. So that's giving me, it's giving me an energy of they're thinking about it or they're in the planning stages. It hasn't happened yet. Why is this Seven of Swords here? Eight of Cups. You may be a water sign or an air sign. But it's giving me a feeling of like walk, like stay in your lane, mind your business. I am looking at the card Energy Vampire and Foolish. So you do have people around you at this time. Just be very aware of your surroundings. Yeah. Be very aware of your surroundings because you have people that are very curious. They're very curious about what you're doing. Why Page of Swords here? Okay. So this Page of Swords is most definitely an air sign. Most definitely. And it can be a woman. It could be a woman, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. You see these two cards, they're both moving. This is action. This is taking action, walk with confidence. You have a sense of knowing, you know something. And one thing that I like here is that these cards, this is darkness and the other is light here. So these two cards together, this making me feel a sense of balance. You're a very balanced individual. You hold some type of knowledge. You hold, it's something that you know. And then here is the number 4. You're stable. It says, be still. Cultivate a space of stillness and silence to just be. And this is what you do. You do this. You mind your business. Other people have a hard time. I just feel like other people are having a hard time. You have people on their toes right now. For whatever reason, I don't know. You can be an earth sign. Yeah. There's an earth sign in their head. Swords is communication. There's a possibility someone want to talk to you about something that's very important, but they're confused. They don't know how to feel 100% about the situation. So they're waiting. Page of Swords, Queen of Swords. Why are you here? And then Two of Swords at the bottom of the deck. So what I'm feeling here in this area is everything that was taken from you, you're going to receive it tenfold. Six of Swords is it. It's something. There's some type of pain, like you're healing. You're taking action and you dealing with your emotions the best way you can. Two of Swords, why are you here? Two of Cups, you can be in your head about a connection, a relationship. Or you have people that are curious about you being in a relationship. They want to know who coming in and out your house, who you on the phone with. Because it's this mysterious energy here, along with the Three of Wands and the Eight of Cups. Very mysterious. In these cards, you can't see a face. You just see them moving. And they're very confident. They have a sense of knowing. You don't know what they look like. You don't know the face expressions or anything like that. They're just moving. They're all about action right now. And so it's this mysterious energy here. Four of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Five of Pentacles. It's your turn to receive. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Right now, you may feel like this. You also have support. You have support. This is spiritual and physical. I'm feeling more so spiritual. Your ancestors here. Yeah, because you're meant to be in the spotlight. Whoever I'm speaking to, is like they're handing you something. So, like I mentioned, your ancestors. This can be four people coming together to actually give you something. This can be a job. They see your work. This here, this energy, you're in the spotlight. So this can be people like an organization coming to give you a job offer, or maybe friends. It can be friends, family. It's a group of people. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, people coming together for sure to give you something. And you can be a teacher, you an influencer, something like that. You have a talent in communication, or you have something that you can teach other people, and it's going to bring you happiness, fulfillment. Temperance is in the back of the deck. It's sticking out. I can be speaking to a Sagittarius, or you have Sagittarius somewhere in your chart. But the World is here. This is going to make you really, really happy. Whoever I'm talking to, you are very, it's something about you that make you very special in a very unique way. And people see you and they're looking at you like, wow, this is what we're missing. We're missing this and that. Whatever it is, you have it. Whatever you have is going to make this organization, this group, or whatever it is, whole. Call your energy back and organize your mind. Find an opening for creativity and connection. Value your time. I honor my spirit and the divine within me. There is power in submission. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalms 23, 5 to 6. And you can be an author, a writer. I mentioned a teacher. You can utilize your spiritual gifts. You can be a photographer. The world will thank you for sharing your light. Seven, 7, or inner strength. Luck is on your side. You are on the ultimate spiritual path. Keep doing what you're doing. Release all fear. Be strong at heart. Look forward to the future with excitement when you see this number. And it's something special about the color yellow. Maybe you need to go outside or remain optimistic. I did see the 2 of Wands. So, yeah, the world is in your hands. You created a path that opens the door for other things. So you have a lot of options around you at this time. I saw the phrase removing layers. So you are most definitely healing. But what I'm feeling with that is allow yourself to be truly seen for who you really are. Don't hold back at this time. The thing that you feel like you should not do, do it. Because I feel like whatever that may be, like say for instance, I'm feeling this very creative energy where you may create something and then be like, oh, I'm not going to post it, or I'm not going to put this up for sale because it's something in your head that's negative, like, oh, people aren't going to like this or whatever that may be. But that thing, that voice, it's not real, it's not true. So put it out there. Allow people to see it. So what if, you may not get an immediate response? Let it be known and just wait patiently, and you'll be surprised. Okay. Or who may like your craft, so keep going. Perspective. None of this matters. Mother Earth doesn't need us to survive, but we need her. It's time to wake up. A new perspective is urgently needed. We're wasting our precious time and resources fighting each other when we should be coming together to heal what's been severed. Take a moment to see the bigger picture. Just give in already. I am willing to keep my heart pure, to accept love. Listen to the voice within. You are not crazy. Warrior, butterfly is here. Okay. Someone's a spirit messenger. Are you going through some type of change, transformation, or awakening? The flesh seeks entertainment. You may like pink roses, or you may have this very friendly nature about you. You get along with people very well. Inner child is here. What happened to you was not your fault. It is okay to feel. You are worthy of everything good. I see you. I understand you. I will forever protect you. I love you. And this is what you need to tell your inner child, because it's something that you're protecting yourself from. But that same is that thing that you're protecting yourself from. I'm feeling as if that is what is hindering you from being seen or going further. This energy here is very special. It's like you have a lot on your heart, and you need to let it go. Be able to live with the decisions you make. I am quotes. I am allowed to move past the things and people who no longer bring positivity to my life. I am willing to believe that things will always work out, even when they don't feel like it. Everything is unfolding in perfect timing. I trust, I believe, I receive. Wow, I'm gonna leave these two cards here. Indian Warrior Princess, okay. Like I said, Warrior is here, and it came out again. An engagement. But this is not giving me, you may have someone that's seeing you from afar, or you may have multiple people that are seeing you and they're like, oh my God, it's like love at first sight. They saw you, it's like, can I please propose to her? This is male, like masculine energy that want to literally like provide and be there for you, like make you their wife. Like, I'm getting that. But it's not just men, like it's not just in a for relationship. This is like, I want to work with her. Whoever I'm speaking to that's in this energy, you are a fighter, but I feel like you're a hard worker as well. Like it's something about your work. I'm feeling bold. I'm feeling confidence. You're very good. Not only can you look the part, but you can back it up. Like your work speaks for itself. It's amazing work. Whatever you do is amazing. And you can be pretty hard on yourself. You can be pretty hard on yourself, but with these two cards alone, you have a lot of people that want to work with you and want to be with you. You're very attractive. Okay. Why is this here? Indian Warrior Princess and engagement. Why is this here? Captain Sage down. Why is this here for engagement? May every evil eye go blind is here. I feel heavy with this anchor here. This is your ancestors' energy. This is your ancestors' energy right here, protecting you. And I'm saying this because this came out on top of engagement and hidden secret right here. But give me 1 second. Now I'm feeling like it's more of a relationship for engagement. Something is hidden, but give me 1 second. This right here, nobody can get to you. I mean, your ancestors checking everybody at the front door. This is that type of, especially how this card came out, it was heavy. It was heavy. Okay, your ancestors checking everybody at the front door because you're on a journey and you are needed. You're doing something. You are the ancestors, baby. You're doing something. It's more than just breaking generational curses. It's more than that. It's something deep. Hidden secret. Why is this here? Transformation. Hidden secret. Transformation. Awakening. Hidden secret. Give me something else, Spirit. Why is this here? I'm getting a sense of you was hidden in plain sight. You was hidden. Give me 1 second. Transformation, homeless. Why is this here? Loyalty. Okay. And right now, the feeling that I'm feeling is like a serious. It's like, if you play with my child, I will fuck you up type of energy. That's what I'm feeling right now. It's really aggressive, but protective. You're somebody's baby. They are not playing with you. They are not playing, okay? I have transformation. I have homeless, but what this is shelter. You're safe. Wherever you are safe. You're safe. Loyalty. You did something. You did something for your ancestors to say, you know what? Okay. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time. And I said that over and over and over again. It's time. You are walking a path that is very important to your bloodline. It's very important. And I think it's coming out this way because whoever I'm talking to, you may not know that. You may not understand how serious this is. But it's serious. I'm feeling it through this while I'm giving this message. This is serious. Okay? You have to keep moving forward. Wherever you are in the right place. But you have to keep moving. Right now, I'm looking at the word discovery. All that is hidden will be revealed, okay? So again, I'm not going to dig deep into this because I'm getting a feeling of Spirit saying not yet, because hidden secret already came out, and then all that is hidden will be revealed. So this is more of a warning to collective. If you're searching for something, you should probably channel your energy somewhere else because they got you. And I'm hearing divine timing. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Focus on your craft. So I'm seeing this, and I already read a karma card. It came out again, another card. Okay. So someone's getting karma. Right now I'm seeing the words cunning and deceptive. So whoever hurt you, and I'm feeling it's a guy, someone in your past, okay? They're charming. They're receiving karma, okay? Now there's someone else trying to peep out, spiritual bae. I'm not sure if this is a new lover that's just waiting for everything to calm down, because they may be someone in your circle that's seeing all of this. There's someone that's seeing all of this. Explosive events. So you may be in a place of peace, calmness. You're healing while there's some things that's going on, and you moved away at the right time. So wherever you are, you're in the right place at the right time, and it's for a reason. I'm seeing heartless, I'm seeing stalker, and I'm seeing bumping heads. Okay, I'm also seeing the word toxic. Now I'm seeing toxic union. Small shit don't matter. So again, focus. I did see bumping heads. There's some type of conflict. There's something going on. Okay, toxic union. It can actually be a group of people. But yeah, this is what's going on behind your back. You're not paying any attention. You're focused. I'm getting a sense of you're focused, and right here I see 7 of Pentacles. So you're manifesting. Okay, but patience is needed. and move slowly, because right here I don't really like. You have to pay attention to your actions at this time because you can risk it all. Whoever I'm talking to, your name can start with a R. A R T H C. Yeah, stalker, heartless, and then bumping heads is on top of me. Every evil eye go blind. Yeah, but this isn't you actually fighting. This is just the energy. It's just the energy because it's a force. I'm feeling someone is trying to force their way into your space, and your ancestors say like, oh no, no, go back, no. And again, as I'm saying this, I'm looking at this card here and foolish. Back up. Not today. Not today, Satan. Go back. Not today. Okay, this was beautiful. Emotions that can consume us when we feel hollow inside. Let me read it because heartless here, and I needed to read this because it came out again. In the depths of range, a man stands, his chest open to a void, revealing the emptiness within. This card symbolizes the powerful emotions that can consume us when we feel hollow inside. It's a reminder that even in our darkest moments, acknowledging our inner void is the first step towards healing and filling our lives with light. I feel like someone's trying to get it. Someone's trying to get it blindside. Alarming. I do feel like someone needs to be careful because you may have someone that can explode at any moment. There's they're holding so much emotion inside, and I'm getting a sense of you guys are not together. It's impossible for this energy for me to be picking up that you can be in together, have any relations with someone like this. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Someone is literally about to explode. Like they are overwhelmed. Strong tongue is here. So this is what I'm seeing here. Giving my heart. Giving my heart, I guess, gossiping. Something about the letter G. There's a lot of people talking. I feel as if someone is speaking in a way, and you're not around this person, but they're using their tongue. They're speaking, they're trying to speak something into existence. Like they want something to happen so bad, and I can't, why strong tongue is here? Let me see, strong tongue, why is this here? Yeah, no, this is not good. You have someone that's trying to speak negativity over your life. Okay? Over your life. So make sure you are praying over your home, over your mind, body, and soul. If you have children, speak over their lives. Okay? Pray for your children. Because you have someone that want to be like you, but they can't. This is also giving me a feeling of a destiny, something about your destiny. Because Indian warrior princess is here. Not only you are a fighter, you are beautiful, princess. You are elegant. I saw that word already. You hold yourself, and I'm looking at the word royalty. It's something about you. It's like you have class. You have multiple gifts. You are a special individual. It's something Like you are gold. You're gold. And someone or people are trying to speak something over you that is not good. So pay attention to your thoughts. Pay attention to your words that you are speaking. Again, this is the card that came out already. This is the card that I was actually talking about, and it came out. At this time, you need to protect your heart. Do not. Right now, you are healing. Focus on that. Devote yourself to your healing journey. I feel as if you have people that's trying to get you off of this, because this right here, after you come out of this journey, OMG. OMG. Up the creek without a paddle, stuck in a difficult situation with no way to get out of. Now, mirroring is here. What I'm feeling is that there's a couple, because I did see, and then here's a standoff, stalemate, no action, gridlock, inaction. I'm getting a sense there's a couple, okay, that you don't know these people. You see the faces? Mirroring is here. But they have some type of connection with you. They're stuck. They can't get out. It's like they're trying to either be where you are or have something happen to you. I'm not sure, but it's a couple involved. I'm getting a feeling of multiple people, but there's a couple that is coming out heavy in this reading, because I also saw union. Yeah, these people are rotten. Their spirit, they're like soulless. Soulless. And again, energy vampire, I came to this multiple times. They suck the life out of people. And this was under mirroring. This was under this card here. Again, the word Connie. And they're very aggressive. They don't care. So you need to be very careful. Very careful. And as I'm saying this, I'm going to put these cards down because I already showed you. You have someone in your energy. This is what I'm seeing. And as of right now, I'm seeing clown shit. Not my circus, not my monkeys, but I know the clowns. You are very intuitive. It can be a water sound. I'm looking at the Knight of Cups. You're all about action. Or you have water heavenly in your birth chart, but you're focusing on your money and your health right now. It's very important for you to pay attention to your surroundings and your actions. This divine feminine may come off like a divine feminine, but this is also a woman. This can be the leader, because this is here, is already here. This divine feminine that's around all of this negativity, that can also be the leader of this couple or other people that's sending people to steal your energy, to take from you. Okay. So here is upright. That's because it was stuck in the deck. But I'm also getting that she comes off this way. But this is, she looks like this in the inside, But this is what's going on in the inside. This is the true form. This is her true self. And she I was going to say blood. Oh, that is funny. Yeah. I mean, it's not, this, like how I'm reading it is funny, but the situation is not. And I honestly, like, I don't want to say this. I don't want to say this, but oh my goodness, I don't want to say that. It's almost if they can't take from you, I can see someone, I don't want to say it, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing. It's serious. It's that serious. Okay. When life give you lemons, make lemonade. And collective, this is what you're doing. You're doing the best with what you have. Okay? So continue to move forward and stay focused, stay grounded, and know that you are loved. You are special. You are gifted. And you are not supposed to be behind the scenes. This is your time to be in the spotlight because people need you. You are needed. And this is your time. Okay? I'm going to leave this message here. Thank you guys so much for viewing this video, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Okay? Bye.